Okay, this is going to be another update. As you see, we got most of our mudding and taping done at our basement remodel. We're going to walk you back over here. So we got a bedroom. We're going to do a little inset right there. Probably the furniture hadn't decided yet, but they're going to be hanging a TV right there. So we got this all bedroom all mudded out. Then this is the main area, living area. We still got some mud and some pieces of drywall to put in, but we're almost there. Of course, there's a laundry room. Got a couple more pieces to do. Just got to put our door in. We established our height for that since we ended up doing a drop ceiling in here. So we got our soffit working right there, and we got to put another soffit across here. For our drop ceiling. It's our utility room, and it's our main entertainment wall right here. Utility room, we didn't put the door in yet because we changed doors. So therefore, I'm glad we didn't go with the header yet, because we're going to be lowering the height. We're just doing a bunch of mudding today, mud and drywall. You see, we got our corner beads in. We have to finish our corner beads for our soffit up top, and this is going to be the kitchen area. As you can see, we got this all ready to go. It can be primed out. Just got to finish these two windows in this area. This is going to be primed out Monday. And the bathroom, we got a first coat of mud working in here. And we furred out the ceiling. We got to get 2 more pieces of drywall for that. And the plumber's came. He's already put his shower pan in, established where the toilet's going to be. And so we just going to put our ceiling in and finish our last coat of mud. And the bathroom should be ship shape. As you see, we don't have a header here because the door is pretty much going to be the height almost of the ceiling. So we're really not going to be working a header in here. That height is so close to the height of the door. Of course, like I said, this is a basement remodel. So we just got, the only other major thing we got to do in here is change that back door, which is going to be a 1-day process. Change back door. We're going to go with another custom door. We're raising that lip up just a little bit for the homeowner, just a precautionary measure that he wanted. So we pretty much, next week we should have a serious jump. We're going to be priming it out, priming everything out. We're going to be installing our drop ceiling and hopefully all the areas, and bringing it to almost a close. Then we just got to trim and see what we're going to do to this floor. That might be a treat. So hopefully we should be out of here before the close out of this month. This is October, so hopefully we should be out of here. So looking forward to seeing you in the next update. All right.